Hello, this is Bobby at Copel TV Repair with yet another functionality proof video. This time is for mainboard for LG 55LE, maybe 5500, I don't know. This is the board's number here, belonging to a customer whose name I do not currently have in front of me. I do apologize for that. It will be in the title of the video. This is a unique marking on the board. I believe this is customer's handwriting. I believe this is how it came. It says no power. The board was serviced once, and it, if I remember well, has been here for a while. Lost because something with or that may have been a different board. Doesn't matter. The board was repaired and returned. The main processor was replaced, even though it doesn't say it here. I'm going to mark it. I found it out underneath where we replaced the processor. We put a little PB sign. That means a new processor with LED balls underneath has been installed, where the original one is LED free. And basically, knowing that is certainty that the processor has been replaced. It doesn't guarantee that the processor itself is new, and many times it actually wouldn't be the case, the processor itself being brand new. But it does mean that the board has not been just reflowed or baked, in case people baking them. We don't. We reflow them on a machine or reball or replace, depending on. But anyhow, in this case, the old processor has been totally taken out. I don't remember whether we replaced it or whether this was reball. Depending on the original situation, it may have been bad, it may have been replaced. But by all means, it was replaced. The balls underneath were replaced from LED to LED free, and that alone, when properly done, should give it another 1, 2, 3, 4 possibly years. Again, if done properly. There's a number of factors there at play. Anyhow, the board was definitely tested. I did that back then, I know, because I remember it was lost, if I'm not confusing it with another. And after customer got it, they said it is bad. So this is what it is now. As usual, don't pay attention to those vertical lines. This is most of our testing TVs have one issue or another, whether because of the multiple use of that TV that leads to all kind of damages, whether because of the many boards that were tested and sometimes something was done improperly and there was a stress on the whole system. This is one of the many times and many examples of that. All of the videos on that testing stand will have that line there, but it does work now. It was indeed not working when it came back. That's what I wanted to say to customer and everyone else. Those things do happen sometimes. I was surprised of what the problem was. It wasn't here, it was somewhere else. What was surprising was that it was working after being done. I know that because we do test them just like now. But it is what it is. To be a little bit more certain, I left it off this time after working, finding a problem. Wear out, fixed something, left it out, let it cool off, made sure. Hopefully this will not show up again. Those things do happen. That's what warranty is for. So best of luck using that board from now on, and apologies. We'll update the date here and we'll reset the warranty period starting from today. It's February 27th. So best of luck.